Fighting out of the red corner, weighing in at 61 kilograms. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up, make some noise for the Thunder, Lalnunsanga! Fighting out of the blue corner, weighing in at 61 kilograms. Ladies and gentlemen, Dushyant Singh! And the referee in charge, Nitin Singh.
You know all the rules. आपको सभी rules पता हैं. Protect yourself all the time. खुद को सुरक्षित रखें. When I say start, start. When I say stop, stop, stop. Okay? Catch gloves if you want and back to your corners.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching the main event for Legacy Fighting Championship. One last fight tonight. Make some noise. Give it up. Hyderabad, are you ready?
Every scar tells a story written on this page. Blood, sweat, sacrifice. Nothing comes easy. Warriors rise where the weak get unleashed. Where the real ones stand. Every fight for legacy.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Legacy Fighting Championship. Give it up, make some noise. What are you in? What a success rate. I told you we're gonna create history tonight, and this is it. Ladies, ladies and gentlemen, announcing your winner in the main event for Legacy Fighting Championship. Your winner by KO from the red corner, Stay here. May I request the founders of LFC to step inside the cage. Tala, if you're here, please. Athar, please. Yes. Hyderabad, did you enjoy? I want you guys to make some noise. 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. We're gonna bring in another season soon, but I will allow the founders to talk about it. I may not be the right person to talk about the season coming up, but I'm gonna hand over the mic to you. But before that, we would like to felicitate our winner for the event, the main event, ladies and gentlemen, Lalnunsanga! May I request Sheikh Khalid on stage, please? Khalid sir, if you're here, requesting you to step up the cage. Lal, if you can stand in the center, please. Yes, yes. Sheikh Khalid sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm gonna call upon some of our chief guests to step up the cage. Mr. Gaurav Reddy, Mr. Akhil, Mr. Kaushik, Mr. Murli, Mr. Vinod, Mr. Akhil, Mr. Irfan, Mr. Zain Raza Khan, and Mr. Ahmed. Thank you. Thank you so much. If I can request everybody to step up the cage, we would like to felicitate this wonderful gentleman. Okay, Lal, before our people could leave the venue, you want to say something to them?
First of all, I want to give all glory to God. Without Jesus Christ, I'll not be here. He gave me strength throughout the journey. And I want to give, let me speak in Mizo. Hyderabad ka Mizo mi puite. Ka fight miron toyom turang kal zong zong te chunga. Lom tu ka soy tak meu mewe. Juan one thing. If anyone have 2 balls to fight Lalnunsanga, sign the contract, baby.
Okay, all right. We would like Mr. Gaurav Reddy to step forward to give away the trophy to Lal. One announcement, we want to make it. We want to make one announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, while you're still watching, we're gonna make the announcement. Lal, the best knockout